Hey, so, if the Google anti-gravity trick is not working or showing errors, yeah, that's actually a pretty common issue. Sometimes it won't load, or it just looks like a normal page. But don't worry. I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, make sure you're using the correct version of the trick. The anti-gravity effect doesn't work directly on the normal Google homepage. You need the version created by Mr. Doob or similar mirror pages. So search Google anti-gravity Mr. Doob and open the correct link. Now, sometimes you'll need to click I'm feeling lucky instead of pressing enter. Yeah, that's what loads the working version on certain pages. If the page shows an error or doesn't load, your browser might have JavaScript turned off. And yeah, this trick completely depends on JavaScript. So go to Settings, find Site Settings or Privacy, and turn JavaScript on. Another big reason, browser extensions. Ad blockers or script blockers can stop the anti-gravity effect. Try disabling them temporarily, then reload the page. If it still doesn't work, yeah, switch your browser. Some browsers don't support the script properly. You can try Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox for better compatibility. And finally, clear your browser cache and cookies. Old or broken data can cause loading errors. After that, reload the page and try again. So yeah, that's how you fix the Google anti-gravity error. One of these steps should get it working again pretty quickly. Try them out and see what works for you. Hey,